Another tip, anytime a situation is extreme or it's an emergency, take them to the NHS. Right, so this is all for you to know. If the case, he's looking at me like, what are you talking about? What is it? Yes, take them to the NHS. At least they're going to get anesthetic and then they're going to calm down. You're going to bring them to me, what am I going to do? Pressure points? Put them in a lock? Do you understand? Like, you don't want me to touch you in your pressure point. You never come back again. So if it's an emergency, what do? Take them to the NHS, take them to an emergency. And this has worked for me, alhamdulillah, throughout these years. People have called, oh, it's an emergency. And afterwards, it's not an emergency. If it's an emergency, who are you calling? Araqi. To do what? Emergency, they're going to make sure they're safe. They're not, in danger to harm themselves. And then if they need to take any medicine to calm them down, they calm them down. And then the ruqyah can be applied. That's it.